Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Gemini Code Assist in Visual Studio Code. First, open Visual Code on your computer. Make sure VS Code is fully loaded before moving to the next step. Now, click on the extensions icon from the left sidebar. This is where you can find and manage all VS Code extensions. Here, search for Gemini Code Assist. Once it appears in the results, click on it to open the extension page. On this page, you can check the details of Gemini Code Assist. It is an AI-powered coding assistant by Google that helps with code suggestions, explanations, debugging help, and faster code writing directly inside Visual Studio Code. It supports multiple programming languages and works in real time while you type. After reviewing the details, click on the Install button. VS Code will start downloading and setting up the extension. When prompted, click on the Trust Publisher and install. This allows the extensions to work properly without any restriction. Now, wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, Gemini Code Assist will be added to Visual Studio Code and you can start using it to get code suggestions, explanations, and AI-powered help while writing your code. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.